What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be extending the downspouts on the left side of this house all the way to the street. They're going to be having pavers put in all up in this area, so that way you want to do this beforehand. Otherwise you'll be undermining and have to take out the pavers and redo them to try to add downspouts at a later time. Back left of the house, going to come all the way down the house, bump out before the gas line, come down, tie in with the downspout on the front left, come all the way down, come under the sidewalk, between the tree and the gas line, right here to a pop-up in front of the curb. Let's get started. All right, now I have it all dug out. As you can see, under the sidewalk, they are making this entire area an extra expansion of the driveway with pavers. You're supposed to go down as far as you can. And I went down as far as I can because there is the gas line. I cannot go below that and still get under the sidewalk. So that is as deep as I could possibly go. Oh, deep, all the way down here. There's the gas line again, right in there. It is all dug out, and now we'll be running the back downspout all the way to the front, tying in here, taking it all the way to the pop-up emitter. Now to put the pipe in the ground and get my level. And here we go. It is completely piped up. As you can see, the pop-up is right near the curb. Water will come out, build up, roll over, go onto the street, and follow the street all the way down to the sewer runoff. As you can see, it goes all the way over here. Once again, I am right above the gas line. As you can see, the caution tape right there, so I can't go any deeper. My bubble is completely downhill, so you can see all the water. As soon as it hits that corner right there, it's going to rush extremely well. Everything is tied in. Everything is looking great. Put it down over here. Show the level. The level still is pretty far downhill, which is perfect. So as soon as the water hits everything there, it is going to completely go down. And from the back of the house all the way, we are also downhill to level. So that's it. Now to backfill. Next video, you'll see how it works. And now to test the system and show the homeowner how it works. This is what you do. You put it in the clean out of the farthest one, and then you go all the way down at the end. It should come up to the pop-up. Here we go, and this is how it works in the end. The water goes in, goes up, filtrates out, rolls down the curve onto the street, and travels to the lowest point all the way down to the gutter drain at the corner of the house. That's exactly how it's done. Usually I'd make all this look better, but they're going to be destroying all this. This is all pavers, expanding the driveway and destroying all of this. But this is exactly how it's done, and I have its clean outs to the side so that way they're accessible. Usually I would put it the other way, but the gas meter's there, so it wouldn't be easy to use. All right, guys, as always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one,